On the way to the park. What's up guys? I'm gonna go for lunch courtesy of this lady. Magpasalamat na kayo. Thank you, thank you. Sana pahabain pa ni Lord yung buhay mo. Sana maging successful ka pa sa career mo. Oh, look at nanay, matching shirt with me. Matching kami, matching. Thank you, Ninang Kim. Thank you, Ninang Kim. Sana umaba pa yung buhay mo. Sana maging successful ka pa sa career mo. Sana anything you want, sana magustuhan mo. Makuha mo. Sana lahat ng goals mo, makuha mo yung goals mo. We're at this Japanese restaurant. First time namin kumain dito. Sana masarap ang pagkain.
Masarap. Dito kami mahal lang.
Okay lang kahit mahal dahil meron naman tayong
Yung servings nila.
meron naman tayong manager today.
Servings nila kaunti.
Let's try the shrimp, guys. Try the shrimp. Not bad, not bad. Try din natin yung octopus or yung squid. I'll just eat it. It's good. Steak. How's the steak? Good steak? Can I try?
No, you want Like it?
Oh, it's good.
Good.
It's better. It's the best thing I've had in the restaurant.
No. The one on Hawaii was better.
Which one?
Yung tayo lang pumunta.
No, this one's way better.
Ito lang ang pagkain ko, ha?
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah? Let me try this.
Ay, okay na.
Can I try the soup?
It's spicy though.
Oh, I like spicy. That's even better.
Kunin mo nga kay Bisa.
It's a little spicy. Well, look, it's way spicier.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Try the soup.
It has a kick. It has a kick.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Now, try natin tong sushi na to. Try this. Very good. Wow. Pretty good. Guys, meron ding oyster. Let's go try the oyster. Oyster. Let's go. Cheers. Wow. Yan ang hot sauce. sushi. Wow, thank you, boss. Boss, thank you, boss. Baka lagnatin si ate mo. Ha? Hindi ba lalagnatin yan? Thank you, Ninang Kim. May write-up pa tayo, guys. Thank you. Guys, we're back at home. Mamaya, we're gonna go to cousin, I guess, nila April. Magdanap muna kami. What's up, guys? We're here at Jeff and AZ's house. Dito kami magdi-dinner. May pa-dinner daw dito. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hi, Yara. Say hi. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Ang payat mo ngayon, AC. Oo, sinabi ko lang ang payat mo. Sabi mo, ayaw mo na naman. Pag sinabi mo mataba, nagagalit. Pag sinabi mo payat, nagagalit din. Saan pa ako lulugar? Wow, ang mukhang masarap ang ulam namin dito. Oh. Look at this. May boppies, chicken, shrimp. Ano to? Tofu?
That's sisig. Pork and sisig. And that's rice. Meron tayong sinigang.
May sinigang pa daw. Wow.
Two kind of sinigang.
Wow. Ano?
We have buntot ng baboy and handa
Wow,
ito.
ang dami mo namang handa sa amin.
Ayan. Tapos ito buntot ng baboy.
Ah, ganun.
Both sinigang. Kasi
Wow.
si Chef gusto niya naman.
Let's go to the backyard daw. O, ano balita? Ba't nagdala pa sa Tatay Jerry ng sasakyan? Ah, kaya pala. Okay guys, mayroon palang billiard table dito sa baba, oh. Look at this, oh. Oh, wow. Who's gonna versus me? Huh? Who's gonna versus Daddy? Oh, hi muna kayo sa vlog ko. Hello! Hi! Baka mauntog rin siya. Hi! Oh, let's go, let's go.